In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to harvest the lunar energies of a new moon to help bring your manifestations to life. So in the lunar cycles, you have 8 total lunar cycles, but today we're only going to be mentioning the top 4 and focusing in on the first, the new moon. So there's a new moon, then you have the waxing moon, the full moon, and then a waning moon. So all these different moons have different rituals and manifestations and meditations that you can do to help harness those lunar energies to benefit your life. But right now we're going to be talking about the new moon. And the new moon is a time for new beginnings, new intentions, bringing newness into your life. This is the perfect time to begin a manifestation that will be able to be harvested by the time the full moon comes around. I have a lot of friends and myself with personal testimonies of things that we have manifested during the new moon that have came true. So I'm a full believer in harnessing the lunar energies and believing in Mother Moon and believing in the universe and doing rituals to help instill that I will receive these things. And so let's get right into it. So one of the first things that you should be doing during a new moon is recognizing what day is and is not new moon. New moon is after the complete dark moon. It's when you start to see that little crescent. It should tell you on any standard calendar, and you can also just Google it. Today, the next new moon is going to be August 18th of 2020. So that is when I'm setting all these intentions and beginning. So I'm really excited for this new moon to come around. So you don't need any fancy crystals or anything like that. I mean, it does help. But like I said, you don't need any of those fancy crystals. I personally like them because I believe in the power of crystals and I really just love them. The first step in new moon manifestation is going to be cleansing your space. Now, whether that means burning some sage or cedar and cleansing the air, opening up the windows to letting in fresh air. You can also do things such as bathe or tidy up your house, clean up your altar. You just want to create a clean space that is welcome to new ideas and new intentions, which also means that you should finish up any old ideas, old conversations that you don't want to drag on into this new moon. The next thing you want to do is to create a sacred space. Create somewhere where you feel comfortable to go and do your meditations, do your new moon rituals. So light some candles, light some incense, get some essential oils going. So taking a new moon bath or a shower to help bring in the freshness also helps. You can definitely take a bath and have crystals such as obsidian, citrine, clear quartz, or labradorite around you, because those are, I'll talk more in depth later, but those are some crystals that will help bring in good new intentions, new vibes, and just help aid you along in this new manifestation. The third thing in your new moon manifestation is going to be the manifestation itself, to set your intentions, whether it be writing them down in a journal and thanking the moon and the universe for already giving you all those things, whether it be speaking them aloud, whether it be writing it down and burning them, anything like that to signify that this is it. This is the manifestation that you want to come true, and you have to decide. It can't just be general, I want some good things. It's way more helpful for the universe to know you would like to have a new car, you would like to have a new job, you'd like to have a new relationship, anything like that to help guide the universe. And I mean, I suppose you could ask for whatever is best, but it's always good to have an intention and help co-create your own reality. So have an intention and write it down. And the last thing in the completion of your new moon ritual is going to be letting things go. Let it go and let it be released to the universe. You put it out there, and now you just need to have trust and faith in the universe that they heard you, and what you did helped, and what you did helped manifest and begin to put in motion those things that you really truly want. So just remember, new moons are all about new beginnings, new intentions, and with the waxing moon coming afterwards, that's just going to help grow your intentions and your ideas. And then during the full moon, approximately 2 weeks later, that's when you're going to begin to harvest those things. So earlier in the video, I had mentioned some crystals that will help you along your journey and your new moon manifestation. Things that you can do with these crystals is meditate with them, either holding them in your palms, or if you lay down, you can put them on the different chakras that you have. Personally, when I'm doing new moon meditations, I like to hold them in my hands and put them around me, kind of make it like a ritualistic with my candles and my incense, and have my crystals there to support me. I have quite a few stones that I really enjoy using during my manifestations. The first crystal on this list is the clear quartz. It is for your crown chakra, and this stone is known as the master healer. It helps balance and revitalize the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual practices, bringing clarity and calmness while also healing. The second crystal that I like to use is a citrine. This is for your solar plexus, crown, and sacral chakras. It helps bring happiness, prosperity, protection, and spiritual growth. The next stone that I like to use is the labradorite. This is for your throat, third eye, and crown chakras. The labradorite is dubbed the stone of transformation. It helps balance and protect your aura, raise consciousness, and ground your spiritual energies. The lepidolite is also used for the third eye, crown, throat, and in addition, the heart chakra. This is also a stone of transition. It helps bring deep awareness and emotional balance, and the lepidolite loves to be used for all things goodness, so it's great for praying and manifesting. What better a crystal to bring in your new beginnings and manifestations than a moonstone? This moonstone is for the third eye and solar plexus chakras. It is literally dubbed the stone of new beginnings. It will help bring abundance and spiritual insight. The obsidian here is for your base or your root chakra. The obsidian is great for manifestation, transformation, but also keeps a sense of practicality. It's great for protection against psychic attacks and helps absorb those negative energies from your environment. Last but not least, we have our selenite. This is for your crown chakra, and the selenite provides clarity of the mind, expanding one's awareness of the self and surrounding. It helps open up your crown and your higher chakras and promotes access to angelic consciousness and higher guidance. It is for purification, positive thoughts of peace and serenity, and just overall clarity. So best of luck to you in your new moon manifestations, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment down below. Tell me what you want to see next. And also, I wanted to give a quick shout out to my cousin Rebecca. She made this amazing shirt, and my best friend Tara with Bailey. She made this awesome jewelry for me that I love to wear every single day. Their links are down below in the description. You guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.